In this video, I will show you how to crochet the scrunchie hair tie. The materials that I will use is the hair tie and the pink yarn. This one really light, and this one 2.5 millimeters crochet hook. So I will create a slip knot. Make a circle, insert, grab the yarn, pull through, and then this one, insert, pull through, chain 1, and then crochet single crochet. So to crochet single crochet, we will not make it too tight. So insert, yarn over, pull through. We make sure it's not too tight. Yarn over, pull through. One, two, three, 4. So keep continuing this process all the way around until the end. Make sure it's not too tight and can move like this. So we will make for 100 single crochets. Now I have 100 single crochets. And then insert into the first single crochet. But remember the yarn tail. Yarn over, pull through. Chain 1, 2, 3. So this one the first round, and then we're going to crochet the second round. And then double crochet in the next stitch. Don't forget the yarn tail. 1 double crochet, yarn over, insert into the next stitch. Yarn over, insert. So keep repeating this process, double crochet in each stitch until the end. And then join the round to the third chain, a slip stitch, crochet chain 1, and we make it high, insert, and we will make this 3 times in one stitch. So 1 time already in the same stitch of the chain 3. Two times. Three times. And go into the next stitch. The first double crochet here. Chain 1. Pull up. One time. Two times. Three times. So keep repeating the process of 3 long loops in each stitch all the way around until the end. Now I have done it look very fluffy. And then we will finish. So to finish, this one the last loop. So we will crochet a slip stitch, yarn over, pull through. And then the next loop, so this one the first loop that we made, yarn over, pull all through. And then another loop, yarn over, pull all through. Yarn over, pull all through. Yarn over, pull all through. So keep repeating this process all the way around until the end. Now I have done, and then I will join to this. So we will join with a slip stitch, yarn over, pull through. Chain 1. Simply cut the yarn off and then weave in ends. Congratulations! Now you have done with the scrunchy hair tie.